Have you ever wondered if there's a simple secret to better health that you can use every night? What if I told you about castor oil, a natural oil that people have used for hundreds of years to improve their health while they sleep? It's true! Both old remedies and new research show that castor oil can make your skin and hair look better and help you feel healthier overall. Tonight, before you go to bed, think about trying a little castor oil. Keep watching to learn how this amazing oil can help you during your sleep. Health and beauty benefits of castor oil. Number 1. Improves skin health. Did you know that castor oil can be your skin's best friend? This natural oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, a special kind of fatty acid that not only moisturizes your skin deeply but also helps reduce any redness or swelling. But that's not all. Castor oil is also full of other healthy fats like oleic, linoleic, and stearic acids. These work together to keep your skin hydrated, make it more elastic, and even help repair damaged skin. And there's solid proof behind these benefits. Various scientific studies have confirmed that castor oil really does improve the condition of your skin by tackling inflammation and boosting hydration. So, if you're looking for a natural way to give your skin a boost, castor oil might just be what you need. Number 2. Enhances hair growth. Have you ever wondered how to get thicker, healthier hair? Castor oil might be the solution you're looking for. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which boosts blood flow to your scalp. This increased circulation wakes up your hair follicles, encouraging them to grow thicker and stronger hair. Plus, castor oil is loaded with omega-9 fatty acids. These nutrients are like a superfood for your scalp. They nourish the roots and strengthen your strands, helping to reduce hair breakage. And there's more good news. Studies have found that castor oil is excellent at locking in moisture. This means not only will your hair start to feel thicker, but it'll also look shinier and healthier. So, if you're aiming for that vibrant, full head of hair, a little castor oil might just be your secret weapon. Number 3. Acts as a natural laxative. Dealing with constipation can be uncomfortable, right? Well, castor oil has been used for generations as a natural remedy to ease this discomfort. It works because it stimulates the muscles in your intestines, helping to get things moving again. Imagine it as a gentle nudge to your digestive system to do its job a bit faster. Medical research supports this traditional use, showing that castor oil really does help with constipation. It's particularly effective when used before bed. You take a small dose, and while you sleep, the oil does its work, so you can wake up feeling lighter and more comfortable. It's a straightforward, natural solution that can help you avoid the discomfort of constipation without relying on harsh chemicals. So, if you're looking for relief that works with your body's natural rhythms, castor oil might just be what you need. Number 4. Improves sleep quality. Ever find it hard to wind down at night? Adding castor oil to your bedtime routine might just be the game changer you need. This natural oil contains undesolenic acid, a compound known for its soothing properties. When you massage castor oil into your skin, it not only moisturizes but also helps your body relax and prepare for sleep. The gentle massaging action signals your brain that it's time to slow down and rest. This can be especially helpful if you're someone who struggles with getting to sleep or if your mind tends to race at night. Incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine could help you achieve a deeper and more restful sleep, naturally. So, if you're looking for a simple way to improve your sleep quality, consider trying a little castor oil before bed. Number 5. Antimicrobial properties. Did you know that castor oil can be a great ally against common skin infections? This natural oil is packed with compounds like undesolenic acid, which have powerful antifungal and antimicrobial properties. These components are especially effective in tackling pesky infections such as athlete's foot and candida, which can be uncomfortable and stubborn. When you apply castor oil to the affected area, it does more than just fight off these infections. It also creates a protective barrier on your skin, which helps prevent new microbes from settling in and causing problems. This makes castor oil a fantastic option for not only treating but also preventing infections. So, if you're looking for a natural way to keep your skin healthy and protected, consider giving castor oil a try. It's a simple, natural solution that helps keep your skin clear of unwanted microbes. Number 6. Boosts immune function. Looking for a natural boost to your immune system? Castor oil could be just what you need. This oil has a remarkable ability to enhance your body's production of lymphocytes, which are the white blood cells that play a crucial role in defending your body against infections. These cells are your body's frontline defenders against illnesses, and by increasing their numbers, castor oil helps your immune system fight off pathogens more effectively. Incorporating castor oil into your routine regularly can strengthen your immune system over time, making it more capable of warding off infections. It's a simple, natural method that can provide significant benefits, especially during times when you need that extra protection, like the cold and flu season. So, if you're interested in a natural way to keep your immune system strong and resilient, consider adding some castor oil to your healthcare regimen. Number 7. Reduces acne. Struggling with acne? You might want to try castor oil as a natural remedy. This oil is packed with linoleic acid, oleic acid, and vitamin E, which are all heroes when it comes to fighting acne. Here's how they help. Linoleic acid and oleic acid work together to reduce inflammation and keep bacterial growth under control, which are two main culprits behind acne outbreaks. Plus, vitamin E in castor oil helps to soothe your skin and can assist in healing acne scars. What's great about castor oil is that it hydrates your skin without clogging your pores. This means it moisturizes effectively but doesn't leave behind any heavy residue that can lead to more breakouts. For anyone with acne-prone skin looking for a gentle and effective solution, castor oil could be a game changer. It offers a simple way to help manage acne naturally, keeping your skin clear and healthy looking. Number 8. Promotes wound healing. Ever wondered how to speed up the healing of cuts and scrapes? Castor oil might just be the helper you need. This natural oil is fantastic for promoting faster wound healing. How does it work? Castor oil creates a moist environment over the wound, which can actually help it heal quicker and with less scarring. Keeping wounds moist rather than letting them dry out reduces the chances of scarring and helps skin repair itself more smoothly. But that's not all. Castor oil also has strong anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can reduce the pain and swelling associated with injuries, which not only feels better but also supports faster recovery. By applying castor oil to your wounds, you're essentially giving them a soothing, protective layer that helps manage inflammation and accelerates the healing process. So next time you have a minor cut or scrape, reaching for the castor oil might help you heal faster and more comfortably. Number 9. Moisturizes dry lips. Dealing with dry, chapped lips? Castor oil could be your new go-to solution. This natural oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, which is great at locking in moisture. This means when you apply it to your lips, it forms a barrier that keeps the moisture in and prevents your lips from drying out. But that's not all. Castor oil also contains vitamin E, which is known for its healing properties. It helps repair your lips and protects them from damage caused by the sun and harsh weather conditions. Applying castor oil to your lips at night can be particularly beneficial. It works while you sleep, so you wake up with softer, well-hydrated lips. It's a simple, natural treatment that can make a big difference, especially during those cold, dry months when your lips need extra care. Number 10. Reduces joint pain. Are you dealing with uncomfortable joint pain? You might find relief right in a bottle of castor oil. This natural oil is not just for minor ailments, it's also a powerful aid against joint pain. The secret lies in its anti-inflammatory properties. When you rub castor oil into the skin over a painful joint, it penetrates deeply and goes to work right where the problem is. By targeting inflammation directly at its source, castor oil can significantly ease the pain. What's more, this isn't just anecdotal evidence. There have been several studies that have highlighted how effective castor oil can be. These studies have shown that it really does reduce pain markers in the body, confirming what many people have experienced firsthand. So, if you're looking for a natural method to manage joint pain, consider giving castor oil a try. It's simple, it's natural, and it might just offer the relief you need to get moving comfortably again. Number 11. Stimulates lymphatic drainage. Have you ever thought about how your body gets rid of toxins and waste? One natural way to support this process is by using castor oil. This oil contains a compound called undesolenic acid, which is really good at stimulating lymphatic drainage. Lymphatic drainage is part of your body's internal cleaning system, helping to remove unwanted toxins and waste. What's great about castor oil is that you can use it to enhance your body's detoxification while you sleep. Just apply some oil over your lymph areas, like the sides of your neck or underarms, before bed. As you rest, the castor oil works gently to boost the natural flow of lymph through your body. This not only helps detoxify, but can also leave you feeling refreshed and less swollen in the morning. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your body's detox processes, consider adding castor oil to your nightly routine. It's a simple, effective method to help keep your system clean and functioning well. Number 12. Prevents stretch marks. Let's talk about a natural way to prevent stretch marks, which is especially useful during pregnancy or when you're experiencing rapid growth phases, like during a growth spurt or when gaining muscle. Castor oil is a fantastic choice for this. Why? Well, it's packed with fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid. These fatty acids are great at enhancing the elasticity of your skin. This means that as your skin stretches, it's more flexible and can expand without leaving those typical stretch mark scars. Plus, castor oil helps to keep your skin well hydrated. Moisturized skin is less likely to develop stretch marks because it's suppler and can handle stretching better. The best time to start using castor oil is early during any period of expected growth, like early in pregnancy or at the beginning of an intense workout program. Regular application can really make a difference in keeping your skin smooth and stretch mark-free. So, if you're looking for a natural method to protect your skin, consider giving castor oil a try. It's simple, effective, and it supports your skin when it needs it the most. How to use castor oil. If you're curious about how to use castor oil effectively, you're in for some interesting tips. Castor oil is versatile and can be used for everything from skin hydration to alleviating joint pain. Let's dive into the specifics so you can start using this natural wonder in your daily routine. External use. For skin hydration. After your shower, while your skin is still damp, apply a small amount of castor oil. This helps lock in the moisture and keeps your skin hydrated for longer. If you're worried about stretch marks, gently massage the oil into the affected areas in circular motions before going to bed. This will help improve the elasticity of your skin and reduce the visibility of stretch marks. For hair growth. Castor oil is thick, so it's best to mix it with a lighter carrier oil like coconut or almond oil. This makes it easier to apply and spread. Massage the oil blend into your scalp and through your hair. Leave it on overnight to allow the oil to penetrate deeply and nourish the scalp, promoting hair growth. Wash your hair in the morning to remove the oil. For joint pain, warm a bit of castor oil and gently rub it into the joints that are causing you discomfort. The warmth of the oil combined with its anti-inflammatory properties provides relief from pain. For dry lips, apply a small dab of castor oil directly to your lips before bedtime. It acts as a natural moisturizer, making your lips soft and smooth by morning. Internal use. As a natural laxative, castor oil is effective as a laxative when taken internally. If you're considering this use, take 1 to 2 teaspoons on an empty stomach. However, it's important to use it sparingly. Frequent use can lead to dependency, so it's best to start with the lowest possible dose and only use it as necessary. Using castor oil can seem old-fashioned, but its benefits are anything but outdated. Whether you're looking to improve your hair, skin, or alleviate some discomfort, castor oil is a natural solution that you might find indispensable once you start using it. Important considerations. When you're considering using castor oil, whether for its health benefits or cosmetic purposes, there are a few important considerations to keep in mind to ensure safety and effectiveness. Let's go over these crucial points. Patch test for allergies. Before you start using castor oil on your skin, it's wise to make sure you're not allergic to it. Apply a small amount on your forearm and wait for about 24 hours to see if there's any adverse reaction, like redness or itching. This simple test can help prevent potential skin irritation. Use high-quality castor oil. The quality of castor oil matters a lot. Look for cold-pressed, pure organic castor oil. This type of oil is extracted without heat or chemical solvents, ensuring that it retains its natural properties and is free from harmful additives. Using high-quality oil maximizes the benefits and reduces the risk of skin irritations or other side effects. Consult a doctor if you're thinking about taking castor oil internally, such as using it as a laxative, or if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have existing health conditions. It's crucial to talk to your healthcare provider first. They can provide personalized advice based on your health needs and conditions, ensuring that it's safe for you to use castor oil in your specific situation. By keeping these points in mind, you can safely and effectively incorporate castor oil into your routine. Whether you're using it for its health benefits or cosmetic enhancements, a little caution goes a long way. Incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine can be a simple yet transformative habit, offering numerous long-term benefits for both health and beauty. From enhancing skin hydration and promoting hair growth to easing joint pain and supporting your body's natural detox processes, castor oil is a versatile and natural remedy that can make a significant difference. If you found this information useful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more valuable insights into natural health remedies. Here's to sweet dreams and healthier mornings with the help of castor oil. Thank you for watching, and take care.